Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at support and resistance. The way support resistance works is pretty simple. If I go to the kitchen on Monday and I touch a hot pot, the hot pot burns my hand. On Wednesday, when I go to the same kitchen, I will not touch the pot. I will remember that the pot burns my hand. So before me here is candles. How do you draw support and resistance? You observe there are two colors, basically, of these candles we are looking at. That is the green and the red. The red means those that want to sell are more than those that want to buy for now, while the green means those that want to buy are more than those that want to sell. You observe that there are three parts of the candle: the high and the low, and the wicks. The wicks are just the part of the candle that is not part of the body of the candle. So a green candle opens at the bottom and closes at the top, while a red candle opens at the top and closes at the bottom. That being said, so how do you draw support and resistance? If you're making use of phone, you will see this negative and positive here. You are going to just use your hand to minimize, and the charts are going to come together. But because I'm using laptop, I'm going to do this. So you're going to have something like this. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for areas where the market reversed up. If you look at this region, if you look at this region, if you look at this region, the market reversed up. So what are you looking at? You are looking at least two places where the market formed support. That's where support turned. Support means where the market reversed and went up. Resistance means where the market reversed and came down. So at this region, you observe the market reversed here, here, and here. So at this region, you take note of that place that's here and here. So the market went up. Resistance is the place where the market got to and then went down. So you come here and draw around here and draw from. You observe at this region, the market came down, same thing here, same thing here. And after the market came down at that region of resistance, when the market now got here, the market found support. So the rule is support turns resistance, resistance turns support. So let's take note of another level here. So I'm going to be using my horizontal line to draw them. So my horizontal line is used to draw this. So I will take note of this, which is resistance. That's here, here, here. At least two. You can pick a support and resistance. You can pick resistance and resistance. Once it is rightly picked, like you observe, I picked here, and automatically it's still resistance, and it automatically turns support in the short term here. So what you need to do next is move towards the lower years, that towards years, and check where the candle, if the candle has left the region, like you observe, the candle left this region here. So what you need to do is find use your horizontal line to draw. You observe the market form support around this region, that's the market reversed, and if you move on and on, you observe the market to find support resistance in future at that region you have drawn. So you take note of this region too. It's a horizontal line and you draw that. So let's look at one more pair, USD CAD. So USD CAD. So you come to Pepperstone, that's the broker I usually use. So you double click here if you're not seeing anything. So you come here and take note and draw your support and your resistance levels. So you observe here that the market forms using my horizontal line. We observe around this region, and this region, the market reverse. So you take note of that place as your resistance. That's this region, this region. If you're finding it hard to draw, you come under this tab where you have candles. You can try out the line chart. So you observe with the line chart, it will be easy. You know, this place is resistance, resistance, and you observe these ranges as support, support. So you come here and use your horizontal line and place it here. So you observe it is even easier with the line chart. That's if you are finding it difficult to draw with candles, because it's something that is pretty simple. So you observe at this region, the market had resistance here and then here. So I'll take note of this region. So at that region, using my horizontal line, the market had resistance here, 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 and that resistance later turned to support here later in the year. So let me go back to my candles. So you observe, so that's how to draw. So I observe at this region too, the market formed that's using my horizontal line. Someone said, what's the difference between the horizontal line and the horizontal ray? The horizontal line draws on both sides. while the horizontal ray draws only to the right. So I'll use my horizontal line and I'll pick and draw that here. So you observe at this region the market reversed, at this region the market reversed. So that's basically how to draw support and resistance. So that's a simple way to draw basically my support and my resistance. Ensure you subscribe to this video and ensure you like the channel. Thank you.